Good morning, boys and girls. Today is January 31st, 2022. Today we have our mini lesson and we're going over building patterns following a rule. Now, we already worked some stuff out because it took a lot to put down on the board, as you can see, but we have something that we're saying right here. Today, we are going to build and discuss number patterns and how to extend the patterns. First, we started off with 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 squares, that's blue. Start off 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 squares, that's blue. This is figure 1. This is figure 2. Figure 3, start off 4 squares that are blue. And figure number 4, 4 squares that are blue. Now, coming back to figure number 1, we added 1 red square. Figure 2, we added 2 red squares. Figure 3, we added 3 red squares. And figure 4, we added 4 red squares. Now, I asked my friends, what is the pattern with this? And just like I have one friend raising his hand, what is the pattern for this set of numbers?
We add 1 red square for each figure.
Good job. So with each figure, figure 1, figure 2, figure 3, and figure 4, they all increase by 1 red square. All right? 1 red square. We have another red square, but we added 1. These are the 2 right here from figure 2. We added another one. For figure 4, those are 3. We added 1 more. Now, I asked my friends down here, can you predict figure 5 and 6? They said
9 and 10.
9 and 10. So figure 5 would actually have 9 squares, and figure 6 would actually have 10 squares. Now I asked them, why do you think this is so? Their answer down here was the pattern increased by 1, which is true. But as you see right here, but, ... what about figure 5? 85. If we was to add 85 figures, do you think we can draw figure 5? Yes. Figure 6, 7, 8, 9, 10? We can, but would that take a long time?
Yes.
That would. It'd take too long, right? We don't have all that time. We have to keep it moving. So, that's why I put but. What about figure 5? I draw a nice little squiggly line all the way up here, and I said, there's a better way to solve this problem. Now, we drew our chart. Over here, you have position, or figure number. Over here, you have number of squares. This is called an input-output table, okay? Our input numbers, those are our figures. As we have figure 1, figure 2, 3, and 4. This is figure 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's 5 and 6 that we did down here. As you can see, figure 1 increased by 1. Figure 2 increased by 1. Figure 3 by 1. Figure 4 by 1. Figure 5 by 1. Figure 6 by 1.
If I can, cool. If you're doing adding and subtracting, you're basically just adding 4 to each number. 1 plus 4 is 5. 2 plus 4 is 6. 3 plus 4 is 7.
I see my protege just pretty much summed up the mini lesson.
Oh, okay. Sorry, y'all.
So over here is a little side note that we're going to do later on today with our anchor chart. And it says, when the number increases, you add or multiply. So we're trying to find figure 85 by looking at these numbers.